Hello and welcome. In this part 3 of our 2D platformer series, we'll set up coin pickups using collators, and create a simple UI system that displays the number of coins the player collects. Let's get started. First, let's update our coin prefab. Select your coin prefab in the Scene or Project folder. Add Circle Collider 2D, and enable as trigger option. Enter script folder and create new C# script, name it coin. Remove default code and write onTrigger enter 2D function like this. We don't have CoinManager class yet, so we will comment out this line code. Add coin script to coin prefab. Now, let's test the scenario. If the coin collides with a player, will it be destroyed? Perfect, the coin disappeared. Let's spawn more coins from prefab. Great, player collected all of them. Next, let's make a UI to show the coin count. Right-click in the hierarchy UI text, TextMeshPro. If TextMeshPro isn't installed yet, Unity will prompt you, click Import TMP Essentials. Rename the text object to coin text, set the font size to something readable like 36, and position it in the top left corner of the screen. Now duplicate coin text to make coin number text. Set default text to 0. And color whatever you like. Now we'll create a CoinManager to update the UI. Create new CoinManager script like this. This script will handle add coins logic to update the UI. We make it instance, so we can access add coin function anywhere without object reference. This is Singleton technique in coding. If you're a developer, you might heard or familiar with it. Create an empty game object called GameManager. And attach the CoinManager script to it. Then drag your coin text UI element into the coin number field of the manager. Now come back to coin script and uncomment this line. Perfect, let's test. The coin number increases every time a player collects a coin. Boom, you've got coin collection and a working UI counter. In the next episode, we'll finally bring the player sword to life by detecting enemy hits and adding basic health logic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching MrWonderHow.